Hi friends, welcome to my channel DIY UH Art and Craft. Today we are going to learn how to make beautiful dress for your doll. No one is too old for dolls. Let me show you how to make beautiful dress. For material requirements, kindly see the description below the video. Take a glitter foam sheet and draw a rectangle taking measurements of your doll's tops. Now cut the same with the help of a scissor. Heat this foam cutout with the help of straightening iron. Now this foam sheet gets perfect shape of your doll. Apply hot glue to complete the top. Take other color glitter sheet to make skirt of the doll. Cut the glitter sheet according to doll's measurements. Now stick the skirt with hot glue. Now cut golden sheet with zigzag scissors as shown. To make the belt of a doll, stick the gold sheets wherever shown. Now take a floral punch to make tiny flowers with glitter sheet. Stick stone in the middle. Stick these flowers with the help of hot glue to the dress of the doll as shown. Cut few more lines from golden sheet and stick to the top of the dolls as shown in the video. Fix the same with the help of hot glue to the doll. Now cut one more flower with the help of the floral punch and stick to the top as shown. With the gold glitter sheet, make a crown shape cutout and stick with the hot glue. Wow, your doll looks stunning, isn't it? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell icon to be notified of my new videos. Bye.